I went to Trader Joe's again and I got a few things. Auntie Dan, where are we now? What are we, Auntie Dan? Where are we, Rain?
Donut. Dunkin' Donut.
What kind of donut did you get?
Chocolate.
Chocolate. Are you excited?
Yeah. I'll try it.
How many donuts are you gonna eat?
2.
So we're trying the fancy cheese crunchies. Don't eat it yet. We're gonna do a review. 2, 1, go. Oh, what the? So me and Rendell are really hot. We're at the gym. It's freaking hot. We're dying inside. We're literally dying inside. You gotta bring a portable charger. Okay, so my mom is going through some like Facebook, whatever, juju, try out, whatever. And this is turmeric powder, cinnamon powder, what else? Okay.
And
Orange
I
peel?
peel the orange, yeah.
Okay.
And I boiled it.
Oh my god!
Wala namang, there's no flavor actually.
Oh hell no! What is that face? What is that face?
Oh my god.
You made me fart. Your teeth might get stained.
I know, yeah.
Oh, you're yellow now.
Oh my, how can I do? My goodness, is it yellow now?
No, not yet. It's not too bad.
How can I drink the whole cup? I might throw up.
You said there's no taste.
There's no taste, but if you, I don't know, I can't explain the turmeric.
What's wrong with it?
Kind of sour because I squeeze more.
But is it good?
Orange. It's not really good, but I want to try.
Is it hot?
No, it's not. Okay, can drink it. Okay.
Should I try it with just normally?
Yeah.
Try it normal.
You can drink it because you have a strong tang or
Okay, normal.
tasteful.
It's not hot, right?
No, it's not. You can drink it.
Okay.
It's not bad.
Then what are you?
Dagdagan me. No, because you know my taste buds.
I think I've tried worse.
Yeah, see? That's
But
why
what? You're extra.
my taste buds is sensitive.
It's not bad.
Not really bad, but the first time I
Tried it?
like, I want to throw up. That's why when I drink, I have to hold my breath.
Regular reaction.
At matabang.
Okay. So it's not bad, right?
No, may meron kunti eh.
Oh, my mom doesn't. Chug it, tita, chug it, chug it.
Teka, magkain naman.
Oh, sorry, it's okay. So I'm here with ATP today and Nico. We got some salsa and chips for free.
I like the vibe. Very bougie.
Like the energy. Would you come back?
Yeah.
Yeah.
More like, yeah.
You are enough. Nico got a birria, I'm assuming birria?
The flour and I don't.
The tongue and the, I don't know what that is. Pork?
Do you know what the tongue is?
No. What did you get?
Birria. The skirt is some. Which one is the skirt?
I'm not sure. Well, mine is all al pastor.
Why did you always say the same thing?
I love al pastor. give it. Okay, let's wait it after. I heard this.
I'll taste the watermelon.
You do?
Yeah.
Maybe because I need ice.
It's a lot of sugar. Drink a lot of water. This is horrible. Nico, which one's better though? Be honest. Be for real. Be for real.
That one had, wait, let me try it. Let me try it.
Did? Oh. What?
Actually, yours is better.
Yours has
Very sweet. You're definitely. How could you chug that? You're gonna get drunk with that. Oh, that's so bad. Oh, you count fast. I don't even have to think. Is that 19?
Oh, that's 19.
Dang it.
I mean, you would.
I would still, that would still, you might beat me, that's why I still, dang it. Where are we going?
Sorry,
We just landed.
now I can say that we've been to all airports in LA.
Not long.
Every single one.
No, we haven't. Oh, we have.
Yeah, we have every single
Yes,
one.
we have.
What the fuck?
We went to Long Beach, Burbank, Ontario, LAX.
And now Orange County.
Wow, we all match. So I'm doing a little, I'm vlogging. I thought these were free, but I guess not. Beef, pork, what'd you get?
Pork.
Ooh. Beef with rice? Okay.
Wait, that was good.
Okay, so what do you got?
Dubai chocolate, it's milk chocolate with pistachio and Kadaif, I don't know how to
Yeah, yeah.
I already took a bite out of it.
First off, do you like pistachio? Yes or no?
I do like it.
Okay, okay. So
So I'm
then,
gonna give it a 3.5 out of 5.
okay. So without knowing the
It's
price,
like $10.
only found in the Bay Area?
Yeah, at Costco. Don't go there. It's not there anymore.
First beignets at Disney.
What'd you get?
I got a blue milk.
Okay, let's see your reaction. Be for real.
I think the gum's fucking it up.
matcha. Renali, what'd you get?
Blueberry.
Blueberry. Matcha with banana. And mochi.